One of the 10 most anticipated cars of the decade is likely the Tesla Cybertruck. Obviously, this is due in part to the fact that it is cool and a result of the numerous occasions during which it has been made fun of. Everyone is now more eager than ever for it to be released as a result of its development delay. Tesla engineers have in fact been testing the Cybertruck on public roads, but they have made very little effort to conceal the vehicle. Its actual rollout feels more real because several test mules have been seen operating routinely in public places. The first Tesla Cybertruck has arrived at Giga, Texas, making the moment many have been anticipating become a reality. The first ever Cybertruck to come out the Texas factory is now official after all the new machinery was installed and tested there. Let's take a look at what has changed and what has remained for the Tesla Cybertruck now that production is so close. The following data may not be entirely current, however, since it is taken directly from Tesla's website, it is the most reliable source of information at this time. 3 variations of the Cybertruck are anticipated: single, double, and triple motor. Ranges of 250, 300 and 500 miles will be offered by the 3 alternatives, respectively. Of course, the Cybertruck's tri-motor version will be the most potent model and should be able to reach 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. Given that this is an EV and torque is instantaneous, the single motor package doesn't appear slow either. It can accelerate to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds, which is still quick. No matter the drivetrain, all Cybertrucks have an approximate 16-inch ground clearance rating, a 33-degree approach angle, and a 28-degree departure angle. The Cybertruck has power outlets in the bed that can supply tools with power in the 110 to 220 volt range, like the majority of electric pickup trucks do. Of course, they can also power additional equipment like lights and heaters for camping. Every Cybertruck model can tow 3,500 pounds, largely because of its air suspension technology, which can keep the truck level even when loaded. The towing capability will vary depending on the drivetrain you choose because each package gives a different level of power. The single-motor truck, which has a rating of 7,500 pounds, has the lowest towing capacity. The tri-motor setup offers the highest rating, which is an extremely remarkable 14,000 pounds. In case you were wondering, a vehicle's chassis, suspension, axles and brakes have a significantly greater impact on a vehicle's ability to haul than does its engine. The hauling limit is uniform across the spectrum of Cybertrucks because they all use the same platform. Currently, the Cybertruck and electric cars in general are not without their challenges in the towing and hauling business. The stats are incredible, no doubt, but EVs have a serious flaw when it comes to towing. Their range decreases significantly more quickly when loaded, which is a disadvantage. Some EVs can require twice as much power to travel a given distance as they would if they were empty. That means you can expect there may be some charging issues. The truck's 250 kilowatt charging capacity ensures that charging it will be as convenient as charging an EV can be. The Cybertruck will be built, according to Tesla, to be able to handle the megawatt charges that Tesla semi-trucks are anticipated to use. The popularity of a pickup truck can be greatly increased by accessories, even though they are not the most essential element of a truck that hasn't yet been introduced. We may see some of the initial accessories pitched in 2019 because the Cybertruck accessory team is internal to Tesla. It would be fantastic to see a camper modification that transforms the back bed into a sizable pop-up tent because the Cybertruck has a lot of energy stored. This would enable quick and convenient camping setup for campers, as well as give them access to onboard power through the bed ports. With bi-directional charging, power may be shared among Tesla vehicles. It follows that the full vehicle can be used to charge the empty one if one is running low on gas and the other is full. Although the availability of bi-directional charging is still not entirely clear, past business statements and rumors based on leaked photographs indicate that there is a very high likelihood that the system will debut on the Cybertruck. Obviously, this might have even more advantages because your Cybertruck could now be utilized as a generator in the event that your home's energy is turned off. It's not anticipated that this system would just be used to charge other vehicles. There is no official price yet. When the Cybertruck was first revealed in 2019, Tesla displayed the model lineup, with prices ranging from $39,900 to $69,000. Since then, no new details have been disclosed, and it makes logical for Tesla to fulfill its word. But given how much the automotive industry has changed since 2019, it may be extremely unlikely that the starting pricing stay the same. Yes, Tesla now has competition in the market for electric trucks, with models priced under $50,000. So, even if the price does end up changing, it won't be much of a difference. Everybody who has even the slightest interest in the pickup is pleading with Tesla to start making deliveries, as they continue to tease us with new Cybertruck test track footage at the Fremont factory. Although it's not the first time we've seen Tesla park the Cybertruck on the Fremont test track, given that deliveries are about to start, the constant teasing by the manufacturer is making us anxious for them to really start. The Cybertruck was most recently seen yesterday tearing around the curves and accelerating down the straightaways on Fremont's test track. This was probably part of ongoing testing, as the pickup is close to be released into the roads. The Cybertruck speeding around the track in the video is more evidence than anything else that we are all becoming way too excited about the pickup's impending debut. Since its first unveiling by Tesla 4 years ago, there have been a number of Cybertruck images and videos that have surfaced online, and with each one, the situation becomes a little more dire. The performance Cybertruck was teased by CEO Elon Musk on Friday, much to the delirious delight of the waiting public. In response to Tesla owners Silicon Valley, a group of ardent Tesla owners, who shared a brief excerpt of their interview with Musk from 2022 at Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas, Musk said on X, formerly Twitter, "I just drove the performance Cybertruck today, and it kicks ass next level." In the footage, Club Vice President Kelvin G can be heard questioning the CEO if a Model 3 plaid makes sense. Musk provided a negative response. "We are still looking for signs that the EPA has begun testing the Cybertruck for its certificate of conformity, which would allow Tesla to formally start making deliveries. While there have been many rumors concerning Cybertruck deliveries, nothing can actually be delivered to the public without the certificate of conformity and crash test worthiness evaluations from the NHTSA. Tesla will keep testing until then, which is most likely the reason for all of the reports about the Cybertruck over the last 6 months. Things have undoubtedly gotten more serious over the past few weeks, as crash-tested Cybertrucks have been witnessed on numerous occasions, including one that was rolled and revealed a completely intact cabin. Although the Tesla Cybertruck is renowned for its toughness, divisive look, and assumed utility, it is still an electric vehicle. Thus it will have white-knuckle acceleration and speed. That much is certain. It won't look anything like a regular pickup truck. It will all be over soon, we hope, even though Tesla will continue to flaunt it in front of our eyes. Before the end of the year, Tesla still intends to deliver it. However, wouldn't it be nice if the first deliveries started on the 4th anniversary of the Cybertruck unveiling event? Share your thoughts in the comment box below. And if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.